Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM training course, and the topic for today will be the machining simulator on the 2D side. So we have here the previous example we've seen for other topics, and the idea it is when we created the toolpaths, or when we calculate only one toolpath, most of the time it is important to see the machining simulation. So we have one function for that purpose called machining simulation, and independent of being a 2D or a 3D, we can simulate it simply going on that option, and then we can simply do the play, and the toolpath starts working with the tool in our graphical area, having the coordinates running in this dialog box. So besides this, we can control this simulation with these simple controls, and we can open the properties where we can define a couple of things. So colors for tools, for the part, whatever. Regarding the toolpath, we can check a couple of options here: hide the toolpath, enable the bounding, overcutting frames only. We can control the speed. Okay, so if we much faster than before, and we can have also the visualization accuracy on, depending on the options we choose. But this is very simple, so when we do the play, it will work. When we want to go back to the previous board, simply go exit, and we are again in the standard calculation dialog box or environment. So any questions or support you may need under this topic, so let us know.